go ahead and plug the baby back into the charger. The charging does help with communication, and once the baby is plugged in, go ahead and reopen the control center. If the simulation has ended before the baby has been returned to you, the data should automatically transmit over into that class folder you assigned. Otherwise, you can always get the data by selecting the baby and then click stop. Baby will chime, status will change to report due. It's extracting the report, and we'll put that report into that period 3 folder. Now it has a 1 next to it. Status is available. Data has been retrieved. And if we click on that class folder, there is our report. And again, the report will remain in the control center until either you delete it yourself or if your computer techs wipe your database clean. But now we can view the report and see how the student had performed with the baby. And you will be able to print this report to either a PDF to where you can email to the student or print it through a regular printer.